What's up, guys? I have been wanting to make this video and now I'm making it. 2,000 subscribers giveaway. Boom, boom, boom. Actually 2,100 subscribers. So by January I wanted to have, this is like last year when I started YouTube, I wanted to have 1,000 subs by January. We more than doubled it, 2,100 something subs. That is awesome. I'm so grateful. The Patreon is growing. Thank you guys so much. If you want to support extra, go to the Patreon. The link is down below. I'm giving away a fully built drone that I've built and tuned once I hit only 30 patrons. So you've got a 1 in 30 chance of winning that if you sign up. Thank you guys. And now for why everyone is here. NewBeeDrone has come out with some new motors, the Flow motors. They came out today, well, yesterday for you guys. They are 5-inch motors, so they're not whoop motors. And they are gonna sponsor this giveaway. So thank you, NewBeeDrone. They make some awesome stuff. They're innovating recently in the 5-inch space with these motors that use N55 magnets instead of N52, a little bit stronger, 2306.5 instead of 2207 or 2306, so you're getting that extra power without the added weight. They have that ring motor, which is a solid ring magnet that goes all the way around. That's really cool. Yeah, so check out NewBeeDrone. They're doing really cool things, and this motor in particular is looking good with the NSK bearings, like I said, the N55 magnets. So everyone wants to know how to enter. Here's what you do. All you do is like the video, subscribe, hit the bell if you want, you know, I'd appreciate it, and finally leave a comment. Only one comment. I will be checking for duplicates, and that's it. Just leave a comment, and the winner gets a set of Flow motors shipped by NewBeeDrone to you to enjoy. So thank you guys again for subscribing and watching my videos, and check out my Patreon, and that's it. See you on the next one. Okay, so I forgot to mention 2 things. Number 1, I'm giving away this 8 amp balance charger on Patreon next. And the second thing is I will be picking the winners to this once the video hits 500 views, or let's say 72 hours or 500 views, whichever one comes first. I'll pick the winner and I will post another video announcing the winner. Is that how this works? I don't know, but that's how I'm doing it. So peace. Leave a comment.